website designs you're seeing right now was created from a single screenshot or just a single prompt. No coding, no designing, just Google Antigravity, turning screenshot into a full website in seconds. I didn't even build this manually. All I did was provide an image or type a one prompt. Let me prove you that you never need to start a website from scratch again. Every landing page you are seeing here either accessed through the local host or it should be stored in the local files. But we need to make that particular website to be live. So in this video, I'm going to show how we can deploy this particular website and make it live. Now you need to go to the antigravity.google and then you have to download it in order to get that interface. So in order to know how to use that, you can check my another video in my channel. Now let's get into it. So here is the interface you will see when you get into it. And here comes the important thing. Here you just need to chat with an AI, whichever you want to build. You can provide any of the screenshots, prompt and whatever you want. You just need to provide it and it will generate it for you. And in this video, I'm going to create a digital studio website, which I'm going to grab the inspiration from some of the inspiration site and put that screenshot into here and give some of the prompt. So based on that, it will create the website. So let's see what we are going to do now. Now I have gone to the landbook.com. So from this, you can choose any of the website which is liked by you and you can take the screenshots of it and you can provide that into the Antigravity along with the prompt in order to create that website. So here I have chosen up with this website. I'm going to take the entire screenshot of this particular website and I'm going to provide this into the Antigravity. So I have taken that screenshot and put it inside it, and here I have given with the prompt as that you are an expert web developer and designer and just you need to create a one-page digital studio website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript and use the screenshot reference, and I have mentioned it with the website should be clean, mobile friendly, SEO optimized, and you need to use the modern CSS flexbox or grid layout. And you need to add vanilla JavaScript. So these are all the prompts I have given here. And coming to here, you can see there is a workspace and playground. Here I have used the playground. So coming to the playground, these playgrounds are the independent workspace. It will be perfect if you want to create any of the prototypes and you can just able to work around on it. If everything is okay, you can move that to the workspace. So you can able to explore the more multiple conversation. So if you have moved to the workspace, you can create the multiple agent, but coming to the playground, it's just something like a playing around that concept. Okay, if I just click on this, then it will start to generate it. Once we have given this prompt along with the screenshot, it started to create the website. Even it had generated the images that is required for this website. It has created the index.html, javascript.js and style.css. Coming to the task, we can see what all the tasks this Antigravity has completed. It completed the project setup, it completed the asset generation, that is for the hero image, product thumbnail and article story thumbnails, where you can see all those here. And even it has implemented the HTML structure, that is header, hero, about, service, project, blog section and footer section. And it has implemented the CSS styling for the variables typographies. And coming to the JavaScript, it has the smooth scrolling and navigations. And coming to the verification, it checked the responsiveness, verify SEO tags and performance. So all the tasks have been completed and now we need to check how the website has been built. So here is the website that is created by the Antigravity, where we have provided only the screenshot and a single prompt. So based on it, it have created the beautiful website where it has navigation, it has a hero section, even this button is working properly, and coming to this, there is a good interaction with all the services, and here comes the recent project, it's looking good. And coming to the stories, there is a blog section, even it's working perfectly fine. Even hover effect is working perfectly fine. Let me click on this about, it's scrolling smoothly. Now this beautiful website was created, but This website can be accessed only in the local browser. But what if we want to deploy it and use it in a live browser? So for that, you can use any of the hosting platform that is providing for free. Here I'm going to use Cloudflare, and here you just need to log in into this. If you created this account, you can see the dashboard like this, and here you just need to go to the compute and AI. Here you can find the workers and pages. Just click on it, and then you have to use create application. Just click on create application, and here you can find a bunch of options. Either you can use connect to GitHub, connect GitLab, and you can select the template, or you can upload your static file. Here I'm going to use the static file, as all the files which was created in the Antigravity was stored in a local file. So now I'm going to upload that static file. So in the local file, I need to include all these things. So instead of selecting all these separately, I'm just going to include this. Now I have uploaded all the files, and let me deploy it. So now after uploading all the thing, you can see the visit. So just you have to click on this visit. So here is the thing, and here you can see the URL. So this one is the local file, but coming to this is the real URL. You just need to copy this and share it with your friends. If you want to do any of the changes just by adding new pages or doing any of the functionality to the particular sections or changing the image and adding some of the functionalities, everything can be done in the Antigravity by just providing the prompt and doing all the changes. And then you have to go to the new deployment, and again you need to add the folder which I have shown before. So after that, you just need to visit the site, and then you can see the changes here. So this is how you need to do the deployment. If you have been scared of coding or stuck every time you wanted to build a website, this workflow changes everything. You can take any inspiration, any layout, any screenshot and drop it into the Google Antigravity and turn it into a complete ready to deploy project. Drop a comment if you want a next crazy build. Subscribe for more real world projects, and I will see you in the next one.